This training video looks at the ergonomic cordless drill drivers PSR18Li2 and PSB18Li2 from Bosch. The AGR-certified ergonomic drill drivers from Bosch have a design that provides ideal power transfer and reduces strain on the user. The battery charge level indicator displays the charging state of the battery. The intelligent energy control provided by the Cineon chip ensures maximum runtime and optimum power through to the last application. The brushless EC motor delivers maximum lifetime while ensuring minimal wear and high efficiency. Electronic kickback control helps if the drill jams, automatically shutting down the ergonomic drill drivers if the rotation speed suddenly changes. The 13mm chuck also accepts large diameter drill bits. The 2-speed gearbox ensures that in first gear there is always enough power for driving large screws, while in second gear there is enough speed for drilling. The practical position of the forward-reverse switch prevents it from being operated unintentionally. Push it forward for forward rotation into the material and backward for reverse rotation out of the material. The center position activates the switch's transport lock. The colors on the chuck help you to recognize the forward and reverse directions faster during use. The auxiliary handle provides better control over the tool. The PSB18Li2 ergonomic also has a ratchet control impact mechanism for drilling in masonry. The ergonomic drill drivers with Cineon chip integrate seamlessly into the 18-volt cordless battery system from Bosch and have the tried and tested ECP system, which protects the battery against overload, overheating, and deep discharge. Now, have fun with the ergonomic cordless drill drivers PSR18Li2 and PSB18Li2 from Bosch.